In today's video, I'm going to teach you run a basic website with JavaScript code. We'll do this using Replit, an online environment that lets you create, run, and publish projects right in your browser with no setup required. Start by heading to the Replit homepage. You'll see different starting points for new projects. Take a moment to explore what's available by selecting the Web App template, then glancing at the other categories like Mobile App, Data App, 3D Game, and Agents and Automations. This quick tour helps you understand where different kinds of projects live. Also check the General section to see broader options. For our purposes, we'll return to the Web App template, which is perfect for a simple website powered by JavaScript. When the Web App card is open, click into the highlighted field and give your project a clear name. Type, "Run a basic website with JavaScript code so it's easy to find later." Then click Start to create the project. Replit will open an editor on the left with files like index.html, script.js, and style.css, and a preview on the right that shows your site running as you work. Next, open the Agent Chat panel. This built-in helper can modify code and assist with debugging. Use plain language to describe what you want to change, and the agent will propose edits. This is especially helpful if you're new to JavaScript or you're chasing a stubborn error. Now go to the build area. You'll see guidance organized around a simple loop: make, test, and iterate. That's the rhythm we'll follow. Implement a small change, run the project, check the result, and refine. You'll also find a section about asking questions and planning your work. Use this space to outline your next steps and clarify goals before writing more code. A few minutes of planning can save a lot of trial and error. As you experiment, watch the preview update. Initial loads can take a few seconds. The console and agent chat will surface helpful messages, and the agent can explain unfamiliar errors in plain English. Return to build when you're happy with how the site behaves. Click into the highlighted field to add a short summary of what you improved or fixed. This keeps your history clear. When everything looks good, click Publish. Replit will package your project and make it accessible via a shareable link. Confirm by clicking Publish again to finalize. You've explored templates, named your project, built with help from the agent, and published your site.